to get uh, if they want sales at desired profit in unit or in value or on volume, break even sales, no profit, no loss. So everything we have learned in marginal costing. Now we are going to learn new thing which is effective and important, managerial decision. Application of those marginal costing techniques which we have learned previously, how it is going to apply. Just give me 1 second. If it is giving. I hope now there won't be a problem as far as audio is concerned.
Perfect, sir.
Thank you. Uh, See, basically, I wanted to make you remind that previous topic what we were dealing with was marginal costing, which is very important for top level management. That is why this entire subject is known as CMA, Cost and Management Accounting. How the top level managerial people is having certain tools and techniques through which they take the decisions, strategic decisions, whether to go for the business, whether to go for that product, whether to, or they want to have their desired profit. So to get that desired profit, how much should be the sales, etc., etc., etc. And we have seen different tools and techniques and different formulas by ways or means. I mean, I have shown you whether by formula or through other ways also, we were getting the same answer. Maybe your break-even sales in quantity or in value or on volume, sales at desired profit. Both the way I have given you different working, we have solved the different questions, and then I have asked you to go for certain homework, which you must have done it, and you must have got an idea about marginal costing. Today we are going to have the managerial decision, the next topic of the same, uh, subject. And managerial decisions are based on the concept what we have learned of marginal costing. So today we will be, or in this topic we are going to learn whether we, which particular sales mix is best sales mix, or whether to accept that offer to sell the goods in abroad, or that kind of offer, or whether to making those product is beneficial or buying those product is beneficial. Likewise, there are many tools and techniques which we will be going to use for different type of managerial decision, different type of managerial decision. So one by one, we are going to learn in our due course. But concept what you have learned earlier will remain the same. Concept in the sense, honestly speaking, if we talk the cost to be divided into three parts: fixed, variable, semi-variable. If the changes will take place in variable cost, it will be always in per unit basis. If the changes are taking place in fixed cost, it will always be in total unit basis, so on and so forth. Okay. I hope these concepts are there in your mind, and based on that, now we will be proceeding to the next topic, which is managerial decision of your syllabus. Once again, I am making a request, this Galaxy A24 and all, please write your roll number followed by your first name. Otherwise, attendance will not be given. Right? Forum and all, their Ashvi, they have not put their roll number. How the attendance will be given? Tell me that. So kindly leave the meeting and come back. Rajasri, Ashvi, Forum, Aarti Yadav, Galaxy A2 Core, so on. These are the students. Please first write your roll number and followed by your name, and then rejoin. Rest is up to you if you want to take attendance.
So,
Yep.
we are late comer, so I haven't received the roll number.
Till
Like
today,
late join. Huh.
Please ask for your roll number, otherwise evaluation for us will be difficult.
Okay, sir.
Well, so this is what we were talking about, how the managerial decision is going to play a vital role for taking the decisions, okay, which will be as follows: level of activity planning, alternative method of production, make or buy decision, fixation of selling price, which price will be the best price, selection of optimum sales mix. We will starting with this, which particular sales mix will be the best sales mix, new product to be introduced or not to be introduced, right? Balancing of profit, financial balancing decision, and this kind of things which required identification and defining a problem, identifying alternative as possible solution to the problem, eliminate alternatives that are clearly not feasible. So these are different tools and techniques we are going to use. Okay, and cost and all I need not have to teach. You have very much aware there are three type of cost. Based on that concept only we will proceed further. So whether to make, whether to discontinue the product, whether to sell or process further.
So
And
can you increase the volume because it's not audible properly?
it's full from my end. Kindly check your devices. I feel from my end it is maximum volume which my computer can provide you all. This is maximum I have done it. So let's take the first question, which is there on page number 26. So there are two products, product A and product B. Direct material we have, direct wages we have, variable overhead we have, selling price we have, fixed overhead we have. From the following alternative, which sales mix will bring higher profit or highest profit? Okay, 250 of A and 250 of B, 500 units. Okay, 400 of A and 100 of B. So we will going to apply the logic of marginal costing, and then we will see out of these which is the best possible sales mix, what it is known as best possible sales mix. So can you tell me whether direct material is variable cost or fixed cost? Anyone? Direct material will be considered as variable cost or fixed cost?
Sir, very
Thank you. Right answer. Direct wages.
Variable cost.
Very good. Variable overhead.
Variable cost में आएगा ना?
Yes. So these are three variable costs which we have, and that is why they have given on per unit basis. So what is the total variable cost for product A? 180, 200, 300, 400. Am I right?
400.
Absolutely right. What is the total variable cost for product B? 200, 320 rupees. Am I right? And these are the selling price, these are the fixed cost. Let me see which is the best alternative. So we will go for first alternative. 250 of A and 250 3. Okay. So let us take A, B, total. What is the selling price of A? 500. Okay. And 400. So I'll take. So what will be the sales for me? Total of sales. Can anybody tell me? Selling price कितना है? 500, 500 and 400.
400.
Variable cost कितना है? Just now we have seen 400 and 320. 400 and 320. Okay. Fixed cost दिया हुआ है 15,000. Okay. Tell me then what will be the total cost for sales? 250 plus 500. Am I right? Am I right, dear student? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how much will be the total?
750.
250
T.
into 500.
750, sir.
750?
Sorry.
1,25,000. For B, 250 into 400.
1 lakh, sir.
Absolutely right. 1 lakh. So, okay.
सर 10 कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा ना ए से.
अरे हाँ.
2,25,000 total.
Yes. The total is 2 lakh.
2,25,000.
All of you, please start writing in your notebook. 400 into 250. Just now we have seen it will give us 1 lakh. And 320 into 250. How much it will give?
80,000.
80,000.
सब बच्चा लोग अब पढ़ने लगा मेरे साथ. So it will be 1,80,000. Making sense? What is the contribution? Here I am getting
25,000 and 20,000.
Abbas. Here also we get the same answer. 45,000.
45,000.
Fixed cost is 15,000. So the profit is 30,000. Any doubt to anyone till here? किसी को कोई सर पर सवाल यहाँ तक? Tell me yes or
No,
no.
sir.
Don't. Okay. So the now second mix is what? 400 and 100. Let me see. So now I want the second alternative from you and the answer from you. Here I want 400 of A and 100 of B. Get me your answer. I hope you can get me the answer. Calculate with your own and get me your answers. अरे इतना टाइम नहीं
Sir,
लगना चाहिए बस.
18,000 profit.
I don't know. Everyone is getting 18,000.
1,818.
वही लिखा बेटा. Are you getting 18,000? Jalpa, can you help me with these figures? Sales and other figures.
Sir, to
Unmute and let me know.
सर 33,000 है.
नहीं सर, 18,000 है.
ये सब नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं तो एमकॉम वाले को कैसे पढ़ा पाऊंगा, मेरे लिए बड़ा चैलेंज है. चलो सेल्स बताओ. हाउ मच यू सेल्स यू गॉट? आई थिंक हियर इट विल बी 2 लाख.
Yes, sir.
40,000.
and 40,000.
चलो इतना तो समझ में आ रहा है.
टोटल
ये सब
2
तुम
लाख
लोग नहीं कर पाओगे तो
40,000.
यार एमकॉम कैसे करोगे यार?
1,60,000.
60,
यार
32,000.
32.
यार
40.
40,000.
यार
8,000.
इनके
8,000.
पास तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ बाबा.
40,
48,000.
48,000.
15,000.
हो गया सबका?
33.
33.
एक ही बच्चे ने राइट आंसर दिया था. समझा क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा करोगे तो कैसे एमकॉम का बेड़ा पार होगा बाबा. So let me see whether you have understood or not. Let us go for next 150 and 350. चलो 150 and 350. Get me your answer quickly. Okay, now if I'm asking which is best alternative, first alternative or second alternative?
Sorry, sir.
Which sales mix is better? First sales mix is better or second sales mix is better? These are two different
First,
sales
sir.
mix. Yes, this is called the concept of sales mix. So if I want to have the 500 unit of production, I will produce not only equal to 50 to 50, rather I will go for producing more unit of A and less unit of B, so that I can increase my total profitability. Okay. From now only I'm telling you this will have lesser profit. Let's see whether I'm right or not. Do it and get me the answer. And those who are not solving along with me during the lecture will not going to find this lectures interesting. So you have to do it, and being in top level management, managerial level, these are your jobs, not to pass the journal entry and ledger post. Chalo, be quick, we have only 2 minutes. I want your answer. Again, you can rejoin with the same login ID password.
Sir, 28,000.
देखा
28,000.
मुझे पता ही था
28,000, sir.
मैं पहले ये प्रिडिक्ट कर दिया था एज अ बाबा बंगाली ऐसा कुछ नहीं है we can take this kind of understanding. So what has happened, I will go for such kind of sales mix which will fetch me highest amount of profit. Last to go, thereby we want 100 and 400. I think this is also not going to give you good profit. Last, and get me the answer from your end. 100 of A and 400 of C. Quickly, we have less than 1 minute.
Twenty-seven thousand.
27,000.
27,000.
Much lower. Okay, I was expecting the same. So the best mix is what? Best sales mix is 400 and
Option B.
100. Option B. Thank you very much. We'll meet again after the break, and kindly join with same login ID and password. Thank you, Bacha Party.